Hi, I'm Kate from Yourway. Today, I'll show you just how simple it is to manage users as an admin on our platform. As an admin, you have complete control over your organization's users. You can view, add, and delete users anytime. Let's get started. First, head over to My Organizations. Here, you'll see every organization you're a part of. To manage users, click on the organization you'd like to work with. This opens up a list of your current users. To add someone new, click the Add Users button. Paste their email address or even add several at once separated by commas. Select their user role, then click Add. Yourway will automatically send them an email invitation to join and finish setting up their account. You can also share a join link directly. Just click Share Join Link, then copy the link and send it to anyone you want to invite. Need to remove a user? No problem. Find their name, click Delete, and confirm. If they don't belong to any other organization in Yourway, they'll be switched to a free account. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your team. Thanks for watching. Try it yourself at yourway.app, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Share this video with your colleagues and check out other tutorials to get the most out of Yourway.